Welcome to my channel. Hello kids. I'm your teacher Zel. Welcome to science class, quarter 1, week 7, day 4. Our learning objectives are: 1. Identify the changes that happen in materials when they are joined. And 2. Describe how joining solid materials make them useful. Review of homework. Ask the learners to bring out their homework from the previous session, where they identified and drew instances in their home where cutting is applied. Observe the picture, making banderitas. What do you notice about the triangle shape on the banderitas? How can we attach the triangle shape to each other? Why do you think this will work? What changes happen to objects when they are joined? Why is it helpful to join objects? Everybody get your dictionary and look up the word join in the dictionary. Join translate to pagsamahin or pinagsama. Use the term pagsamahin. For example, pinagsama ni tatay ang pulang tali at puting tali. My father joined the red rope and white rope. Learning activities. Activity 4. What changes happen to objects when they are joined? Materials needed: cardboard, plastic straws, popsicle stick, tape, and glue. You only have 10 minutes to do the activity. Instructions. Step 1. Using tape or glue, join several pieces of each of the given materials. Step 2. Observe what happened to each object. Step 3. Copy the table below in your notebook and record your observation. Object cardboard. What happened to the object when several pieces of it were joined? Answer the following question as a group. Which object changed their size? Which object changed shape? Which object changed in texture? Which object changed their color? From your observation, which characteristics, size, shape, textures, or color change when we join solid objects? Processing the activity. Solid objects can be joined with the same object or other objects. When we join solid objects, we use tools that make two separate objects stick together. Objects: paper, cardboard, plastic straws, and popsicles. Size: when they were joined, did the object change in size, shape, color, texture? Was a new object formed? In what ways does an object usually change when several pieces of it are joined? When we join objects together, their size changes. The object becomes bigger or longer. Often, its shape changes too. On the other hand, the color and texture of the object doesn't change. Did the object becomes a new and different object after we join pieces of them together? Use the popsicle stick as an example. Popsicle stick can be joined together using glue. While the popsicle stick got longer, they are still popsicle sticks. Even if we join several pieces of an object, it stays the same object. It doesn't turn into a new object. Good job, kids! Why is it helpful to join objects together? Number 1. Stitching pieces of fabric. 2. Tying 2 pieces of rope together. 3. Cutting 3 branches. Answer key. Picture 1. A. Picture shows person stitching pieces of fabric to make shirt. B. The picture shows joining. Stitching made the cloth change in shape and become longer. C. Joining pieces of fabric together is useful because it helps make clothes, blankets, or other items. Answer key. Picture 2. A. The picture shows 2 pieces of rope being tied together. B. The picture shows joining. Tying the ropes together made the rope longer. C. Joining 2 ropes together makes the rope longer so it can reach farther places. Answer key for picture number 3. A. The picture shows a tree branch being cut with saw. B. No, it does not show joining. The picture shows cutting. Good job, kids! Let's compare and contrast. Present the sentence frame to the class and have them orally complete it by filling in the blanks. Joining is similar with cutting because blank, but joining blank while cutting blank. Both of them make the object change in size and shape, but joining makes object longer, while cutting makes objects shorter. Good job! For seat work, we have here direction. At the picture, A. Identify what is being done on the object in the picture and describe how joining makes the object useful. Clipping pieces of paper together with a paper clip, like this one. What is being done in the picture? How does joining makes the object useful? We have here gluing pieces of a toy together. Answer key. Picture 1A. The picture shows pieces of paper held together by a paper clip. B. Clipping the paper together keeps them organized and prevent them from getting lost. Picture 2. The picture shows a person gluing pieces of broken toy. By gluing the broken pieces together fixes the toy so it can be played with again. For evaluation, kids. Instruction. Read the situations below. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. What happened when you glue 2 pieces of paper together? A. They change color. B. They become bigger pieces. C. They disappear. D. They turn into liquid. What is your answer? The answer is letter B. Next, for number 2, when you nail 2 pieces of wood together, what happens? A. They stay separate. B. They combine to make a stronger object. C. They melt together. D. They change into metal. Answer is letter B. They combine to make a stronger object. Very good, kid. Why do builders join bricks with cement when making a house? A. To make the bricks change color. B. To create strong walls that won't fall apart. C. To turn bricks into glass. D. To make the bricks softer. The answer is letter B. To create strong walls that won't fall apart. Next, 4. How does sewing pieces of fabric together make them useful? A. It makes the fabric disappear. B. It creates clothes, bags, or other items we can use. C. It turns fabric into paper. D. It makes the fabric melt separate easily. What is your answer, class? Okay, its answer is letter B. it creates clothes, bags, or other items we can use. Next, for number 5. Why are toy parts joined together when making a toy car? A. To make the car change color. B. To create a complete toy that can be played with. C. To turn the toy into food. D. To make the car pieces separate easily. What is your answer? Letter B, of course, to create a complete toy that can be played with. Good job, kids. And now, for other additional activity, how to make empanada. So here's the directions. Empanada is a popular kind of bread in the Philippines. Like what you see in the picture, it is the empanada. Below is a recipe for making empanada. In some of the steps, identify the changes shaping, pressing, hammering, cutting, or joining done to the ingredients on the blank provided. 1. Slice the empanada dough into small pieces using a knife. Number 2, mold the empanada dough into a small balls. 3. Flatten the ball of dough using a rolling pin. 4. Make the chicken flat by hitting it with a wooden mallet. 5. Slice the garlic, onion, and cooked chicken into small pieces. Put the garlic, onion, and cooked chicken in a pan and cook them together. Put the cooked garlic, onion, and chicken on one piece of. Put the garlic, onion and cooked chicken in a pan and cook them together. Put the cooked garlic, onion, and chicken on one piece of dough. 6. Glue the edges of the empanada using egg yolk. Put the sealed empanada in hot oil and cook until it's golden brown. What is your answer? Number 1, cutting. Number 2, shaping. 3, pressing. 4, hammering. 5, cutting. And number 6 is joining. Very good, kids. Good job. Thank you for listening. See you next time.